Hello. We're stranded here in Abingdon, Virginia with Kelly and a dog. And my Audi S4 B5, it's a year 2000, won't start. And I don't know why. Somebody in the YouTube world can probably help me. Okay, so I left the battery terminal off to see for about 10 minutes just to reset the ECU. When you turn the key on, got some lights blinking, and you can hear a relay clicking as well. It's one of the relays is definitely the ABS relay, and you can see the check engine light blinking too. Not sure what's wrong with it. When you try and start it, nothing happens. Another interesting thing is the speedometer bounces when you start. I don't think it did that before. Okay, hope somebody can help. Thank you in advance.